All right, gentlemen, what do you see?
Skill two.
You see skill 2, right? Okay.
Yes.
Sultan, what does it say?
Be careful of object. Be careful of objects of preposition.
Preposition. Now, yesterday in appendix, I think it's appendix D, right? We did prepositions in appendix D. And what is the meaning of this? Object of a preposition. What does it mean, Sultan?
The object have a preposition before it.
Right.
Subject.
So what is, it's not a subject.
Subject
different.
subject of by or on or subject of
It's not a subject. It's
Not a
not,
subject,
it's
no.
not a subject. Look. Take a look here.
yes.
Can you read this, Suhaib?
Yeah, a noun has 3 positions in the sentence.
Yes. Now, this I used, for example, yesterday, a football team. A football team has many players on a team, right?
Yeah.
And each player has a different position. You have one player is the goalkeeper. Another player is a striker. Another player is a defender, right?
Yes.
Yeah. A noun, just like a football team, a sentence is like a football team. And it has, sometimes it has many players, many nouns. And the noun has different positions in the sentence. Okay? So
Yeah.
the first position
Subject.
is the subject. So it's a noun. Is it a noun or is it a subject or is it both?
Both.
It's both.
Exactly. It's both. Just like a goalkeeper. Do you say, oh, is he a player or is he a goalkeeper? He's both.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Are you a person or are you a Saudi?
Both.
Both.
You're both. So on a subject, it is a noun, but the subject is the position name. It's the name of the position. How about the object of a verb? What about the object of a verb? It's another position. What
Yeah.
is this? What is this position? Where is this position?
After the verb.
Yeah, the noun. When the noun follows a verb, the position name is this object of a verb. What about this position?
Yeah, after the preposition. Object
Yeah.
after the preposition.
Exactly. When it follows a preposition. I shouted at my brother. My pen is in the book. All right. So now that's what we're doing today in skill 2. Object of a preposition, right?
Yes.
So the object of a preposition, it's a noun that follows preposition.
Preposition.
Okay. So can you read,
Okay.
Suhaib? An
Okay.
object?
An object of a preposition is a noun or pronoun that comes after preposition, such as in, at, of, to, by, behind, and on.
No, and so on.
Okay,
So on.
Yeah.
So what do you see? I made, how many circles did I make there?
6 circles.
1, 2, 3,
The
4,
is
5, 6.
seven.
Is that 6? 7.
Seven.
What are they? What's inside the circles?
Prepositions.
Preposition.
These are all prepositions. Okay. After the preposition, when you have a noun, we call it the object of a preposition. Okay.
Yeah.
And together, this preposition plus the object together, it's called a prepositional phrase. You understand? Yeah?
Yeah.
So Mohammed also male, can you read this example?
After his exams, Tom will take a trip by boat.
Can you explain each word here? What's the first
After
one?
Adverb.
An adverb? No, it's not an adverb. Anybody else want to guess? What is it?
Preposition?
Preposition.
It is a preposition. What about exams?
Object.
Yes, because it's a noun. This
Followed
noun
by-
follows a preposition, right? So
Yes.
it's the object of a preposition. So Mohammed, where is the subject in this example?
His exam.
Is this a noun?
No, his the verb.
It's not a verb.
Subject here is Tom.
This is an adjective, gentlemen. His is called an adjective
Yeah.
because it describes
Exams.
the noun.
No.
Whose exams? His. This is just an adjective. Adjective and a noun. Of course, this noun is an object.
Yeah.
So where is the subject for us?
In the next sentence, I think
In
Tom.
this example, where is the subject for us?
I think Tom.
Yes. Tom is the subject. Mohammed, what do you see here? What's this?
I will take preposition.
No, this is not preposition. Sultan will take.
A verb. Verb
Correct.
from two parts.
It's a verb with two parts. Exactly. Okay. All right. Then, Suhaid, what do you see here?
Preposition and object.
Bingo. So we have another prepositional phrase, right? So how many nouns do you see in this example? Find all of the nouns in this sentence.
4
Three
now.
nouns.
3 now.
3?
Trip, we call
Oh,
it now.
yeah, 4.
Yeah, we have
Yeah.
4 nouns, right?
Yeah.
We have 4. This is the object of a preposition.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here,
A
Tom is
subject.
the subject. This follows a verb,
A subject.
Yeah.
object of a verb, right? And this one is the object of a preposition. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
All right. Let's go to the example. Guys, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to choose your answer. No, 25 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choose your answer, gentlemen. Uh-oh. Somebody didn't answer.
Oh, I am. Okay. I'm sorry. I forget that vote. But the answer is
Okay.
B. I
All
answered
right,
B.
so let's start with Sultan.
Yes.
What do you see up here?
With is preposition.
Correct.
His friend is object of a preposition.
Right. Now, wait, before you continue, what is
His
this?
is- his,
Mohammed, what is this, Mohammed?
Yes.
What is this? His. It describes
Object.
the object. So what describes an object? Anybody want to help? What describes a noun? Sultan?
adjective.
Adjective.
Correct. It's an adjective. Adjective describes a noun. Continue, Sultan.
Then space. Then found is a verb. Verb 2.
Okay.
The movie is object.
Well, we have
Tell me.
two words here. Movie, theater. Theater is same meaning as cinema.
Okay.
Okay. So this describes the cinema.
The movie is adjective.
Yes. So now look at the choices here. Okay. So one person said Charlie and two people said Beta, and Suhaib, you
Beta.
said Beta. Of course, after you see
No,
everybody
no,
else
no,
in
no.
it. Okay. Okay. All right. So what's wrong with alpha then?
Alpha, it's a verb. It's a double verb.
Yeah, if I use this, okay. Okay, so if you use this one, it's an auxiliary, right? Helping verb. Has found. So then you have one verb with two parts. So, but why is this a problem?
Because found it's not it's verb 2. Verb 3 it's different.
Really?
When you
Tell me verb 1, 2, and 3.
Find,
Mhm.
found, okay. I don't remember verb 3, but
It's also found.
It's the same.
The
Verb
same.
2 and 3 are the same. It's
But,
find, found.
I
So-
think the problem we don't have subject.
Bingo. If you choose alpha, okay, has found, the verb is okay. That's not a problem.
yeah.
Has found, that's not the problem. Problem is we need a subject. If you choose alpha, there's no subject. Okay. So most of you selected beta, which is the answer because it's a subject. Okay. What about Charlie? What's wrong with Charlie?
It's I think preposition or adverb.
Well, it's not a preposition. An adverb, yeah. But we don't want an adverb here.
We need subject.
We need a subject. And what about delta? What is this?
Connector.
It's a connector. Okay. All right. Faraz, can you read down here? Objects of prepositions.
A preposition is followed by a noun or pronoun that is called an object of the preposition. If a word is an object of a preposition, it's not the subject.
You did this morning in my class, right? In the green TOEFL, yeah? Yeah. So can you read this, please, Sultan?
Under the subject once, the verb twice, circle the preposition, phrase, indicate the correct or incorrect sentence.
Very good. Okay. Number one, can anyone explain number one? Anybody want to try to explain it?
Yeah,
It's
me.
a line, a circle, and two more lines. Suhaib?
The first thing it's the subject, the interviews.
Yeah.
Okay. And by radio broadcasters, by its preposition,
Good.
and radio it's adjective, and uh, broadcasters
Broadcasters.
it's object.
Yes,
By
that's right.
and
And then
where carried is the verb from of two part.
exactly. Were carried. Is this which formula is that, by the way? Were carried.
That's passive.
You said yes, it's passive, right? The be auxiliary and verb 3. It's passive. Good. Well done. Okay. Number 2. Sultan, you want to explain that?
Yeah, and the last possible moment is phrasal verb, preposition phrasal.
Prepositional phrase.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before a takeoff, it's also preposition phrase.
Yes. Yes.
Talk is a verb.
Good.
His is an adjective describe object.
Yeah. Yeah.
And,
His seat. Yeah. So
yeah.
now why is this sentence incorrect though?
we don't have a subject.
Bingo. There's no subject. So where can I put the subject, or what subject can I add?
We can
He.
add.
Huh?
We must add he.
He. That's correct.
Yeah.
Where?
Before the phrasal verb, we can add.
Before the verb, right?
Yeah.
Before the
Yeah.
verb. So I will put it here. Yeah.
Yeah.
He took his seat in the airplane. All right, gentlemen, let's do this. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to start the timer. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I forgot. I'm going to open the poll. Let's do the poll again. Okay.
Okay.
So correct, incorrect. Now, what should you answer for number 1?
Charlie.
Correct.
Put Charlie. No, not Charlie. Correct.
Yeah.
Number 2 is incorrect, right? Here we go.
Yeah.
You should get 100% on that.
Okay.
One minute. $30 seconds. 10, 9. Okay, everyone's done. Good. Let's see what we got here. So for number 1, oh, 100%. Everyone got it right. And 2, oh, and everybody answered incorrect. Well done. All right. So let's look at number 3. Uh-oh. 50-50. Houston, we have a problem. Let's see. This example is correct, gentlemen. It's correct. Let's see. Why is it correct? What did you choose, Sultan? Did you say correct?
No, I say incorrect.
Uh-oh. Okay, let's find the prepositional phrases.
I have different from you.
Your book is different? Are you using the green TOEFL or the red TOEFL?
No, I solved the different exercise.
Oh, you did a different
Hey.
exercise. Well, let's look at this anyway. Where is the prepositional phrase?
The night board, floor shop.
Preposition at. All of this is one prepositional phrase, right? Okay. Can you find a verb?
The verb here is can be developers.
That's right. Delivered.
Yeah.
3 parts. It has 3 parts. How about subject? Do you see a subject?
Subject floors.
That's right. Flowers. Okay. So what do we have here in quantities?
It's a phrasal verb. A phrasal object.
Prepositional phrase.
Prepositional phrase.
How about of a dozen or half a dozen?
It's also
Another one, right?
Right.
Another prepositional phrase. Okay, good. This is correct, gentlemen. We have 1, 2, 3 prepositional phrases before the verb. We have a subject, flowers, and the verb, 1 verb with 3 parts. All right, number 4, let's take a look at question 4. 3 of you said it's correct. Let's see. Again, I'm guessing, Sultan, you answered from another exercise.
Yeah, all of them.
Okay. All of them. Okay. All right. So, Suhaib, do you want to explain this one?
Okay, no problem.
Prepositional phrase?
Preposition. Okay. It's at this school.
Yes. Yes. Any more?
For the improved tests.
Yeah.
Course.
But this one is after. This is after the verb. So
Yeah.
let's find the subject and verb now.
Okay. The subject, it's the progressive. Okay, and
Progressive?
yes.
IVE. What ending is it? Like
Oh,
expensive. It's an adjective.
Okay. So I think methods.
Yep.
Yeah, this all subject. The adjective describe the noun.
That's right. Now we need a verb.
Are given.
Yeah. Which formula is this?
Passive.
Bingo. Passive. This is a correct sentence. All right, guys, let's take a look at number 5. So number 5 looks like, again, it's what is it? 3 of you agree on 1 answer, and Sultan, you probably did the other one, right? So, Mohammed?
Yeah.
Can you explain this one?
Yeah. At various hospitals, the phrasal verb. A preposition.
Prepositional phrase. Where?
At various settings.
Oh, you skipped one.
For the last 2 years.
Yeah, for is a preposition. And then
At various
at various hospitals. There's another prepositional phrase. Okay. Then,
in the county.
yeah, there's another one in the county. Now we need a verb.
Has been practicing.
Okay. All right. So why is it incorrect, gentlemen? What's the problem?
We don't have
Miss
subject.
subject.
The subject is missing. We have to add a subject. What subject could we add? Think about it.
He or she.
Or no.
That's right. He or she. Or you put a name of somebody, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, number 6. What did you guys say? It looks like most of you said it's incorrect. Number 6. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem.
Yeah.
This sentence is correct, gentlemen. Okay? Why? Sultan, do you want to explain it?
Yeah, in the past is a preposition phrase.
Good. Prepositional
Occurred,
phrase.
occurred is subject.
Where?
Career.
Career? You said career?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And police is preposition phrase was not considered as the verb.
Okay. Prepositional phrase was not considered. Okay. All right. And then?
We have object.
Well, I think that's all we need, really. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, basically, up here we have, where's the subject? Career. And the verb?
Yeah.
Was
Was
not
not considered.
There you go. This, gentleman, is a correct example. Okay. All right. Number 7. 50-50. Sultan, because you did a different exercise, do you want to change your answer?
Yeah. I think it's incorrect.
You think it's incorrect, which means that's 3 people, right? Maybe 3 of you. Did 2 of you select incorrect? There you go. It is incorrect. Faraz, can you explain this
Okay.
one?
Okay, in the downtown area, preposition phrase.
Good. And then?
Of the city, another preposition phrase.
Okay. Good. All right.
Improved verb.
It or has improved? Which one?
Has improved.
Okay. All right. Verb. Okay. And then?
In recent years,
Well, that's okay. That's after the verb. But what about before the verb?
no subject.
Really?
We have double subject.
Yeah.
here.
Sultan, can you explain?
We have double subject here, shopping and it.
Ah, yeah. Shopping is a subject. Okay. It's an activity, right? Sometimes verb for, yeah, is an activity. Yeah. And here it is an activity. Like smoking. Smoking is bad for you, right? Subject, smoking. So here, shopping is a subject. Also, another subject. That's a double subject, gentlemen. Okay. All right. Number 8. What did you guys say about 8? again, 50-50. Sultan,
I say it's
what do you
correct.
think?
No, 3-1. Correct.
You say it's correct. So, Mohammed Al-Samail, do you want to explain it?
Okay. Present preposition at the building site.
At the building site, what is it?
Present preposition.
Prepositional phrase.
Yeah.
And then, any subject?
The carpenter.
Okay. Okay. And then,
Were given the most effective work.
where's the verb?
Were given.
We're given. Which formula is this, gentlemen? We're given.
It's passive.
Yes, it's passive. Mohammed?
Yeah.
What do you see here?
Was the most experience. Prepositional phrase.
With is a preposition. Yeah? This sentence is correct, gentlemen. All right, number 9. Everyone said it's incorrect. Excellent. Excellent. Well done. Mohammed, explain another one.
For the favor is the positional verb.
Actually, this includes 2 nouns. It's called a compound object. You know, water is a compound.
Yeah.
Compound. Hydrogen plus oxygen.
Yeah.
This object is a compound. Fever plus headache. And then,
The verb talk,
yeah,
and we are missing for subject before the verb.
exactly. Missing a subject. You got it. Last one. Any volunteers for number 10? Now, what did everybody say? Oh, we're 50-50. Sultan, you want to change it? You want to change your answer?
Yeah, it's correct.
All right, Faraz, explain.
Okay. Report subject
Yeah, good.
with complete documentation, preposition phrase.
Exactly. And then,
Third, the verb.
bingo. Which formula is this, gentlemen? Was
Passive.
delivered. Again, the passive. You should know that the TOEFL exam, they like the passive. They use the passive a lot in TOEFL. Okay? Gentlemen, that's all for today. Have a good weekend. We'll see you next week.
Okay, so
All right?
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you, Mr. Rich.
You're welcome. Goodbye, gentlemen.
Bye.
goodbye.